Hi everyone, Ricky from Choose Packaging Supplies here. We're searching around the internet looking for packaging related questions so we can help you guys out, and we found a lot of people asking if there are other ways to seal a box other than tape. I mean, like anything else, there's always alternative solutions to everything, but what's the best one for what you need to do? We always go with carton sealing tape because that's what it's designed to do, to seal cartons. So whether you're using polypropylene or you're using water activated tape, sealing a box, these are your two best combinations to do it. But we have lots of tapes here as we talked about before, so let's look at different options. First one is staples. Staples have always been a good option, especially for heavy duty products. So you're shipping like big heavy items. Staples are a lot stronger, but you also have to buy an industrial stapler and it's a very slow process. Depending on what you're trying to do, staples might not be the best for your job. Someone also asked if you could use stretch film to seal boxes, which I guess technically could work. I got a little roll of banding film, but this one's already sealed. But if you're looking at this and you're trying to seal a box, go around the box, it's not that sturdy, and I honestly don't think you save any time or money using stretch film without any tape. You could use glue to close the boxes, which we've done here as well to repair boxes, and it's actually really good. It works well. The problem is it's very slow, so you're trying to glue a box, by hand. You can use hot glue. This one has like a little glue brush on it, but we sell thousands and thousands of boxes every day. So you're trying to close a box and you're trying to ship. Imagine trying to apply this 1,000 times a day. It's a very slow process, not cost effective, not labor effective. So, like if it's a small job, definitely you could probably get by with this. It's a very strong bond. Whether you use this or like a glue gun, you got to think about your time savings as well. We've also seen companies use double-sided tape, which is good, but same thing, cost-effective wise, it's not the best bang for your buck. So circling back to the standard carton sealing tape and water-activated tape being used to seal your boxes, yeah, these are the guys you got to go to. For more information on our packing tape and entire box closing product line, please visit our website at www.choosepkg.com.